Hello and welcome back. Today let's see CanvaMagic design. At first, let's go to canva.com/magic-design/. Here you can click Try Magic Design, click Try It Out, and now we can click Insert Media, and you can choose any photo. For example, I'm choosing this one and click Open. Now we can select a style. Here on the top, we see style, and we can choose any style: holiday, photo, happy, cool. We can enter headline. We can pick a style and the color. For example, I'm choosing travel and this color palette, and we can click See Results. And here you go. We have our designs. Now we can click on the design and just click Customize this template. And here you go. I hope you like this new Canvas feature. Click like and subscribe. See you!